Imagine a world where every day in the freight industry was perfect for all of us, where trust, reliability was not just words, but foundation of every interaction, turning success from a dream into daily reality. Imagine having the ability to foresee and navigate around any obstacles before they arise. My name is Elliot Groman, and for the past 8 years, we've been in constant search and development for solutions that make professional lives easier and their work more efficient. Over these years, we didn't just look for solutions, we created them. ushipper is our answer that challenges professionals in the freight industry that they face every day. Our goal is to make your work not just easy, but as productive as possible. We invite you to join ushipper to see how the latest technologies seamlessly integrate into your business, where every participant feels valued and confidently looks toward the future. Visit our website and learn more about how ushipper can change your professional life today.